Market may crash and trends may change, but the need for financial intelligence never fades. Hello everyone. I am Dr. Ashish Katale, Program Director, Department of Commerce and Accounting at the School of Economics and Commerce, MIT-WPU, Pune. If you aspire to be a CA, CS, CMA, or a global financial expert, or an entrepreneur, this is your launchpad. At MIT-WPU Pune, we redefine commerce education. Our programs are uniquely integrated with global professional bodies like ACCA, CIMA, and CFA. We blend core accounting with fintech and analytics. This ensures you are not just a graduate, but professionally ready for global economy. At MIT-WPU, we ensure that you learn theory with application. In our essential tools like Tally, Excel, SAP, in our state-of-the-art computer laboratories. Through our rigorous internship and industrial visit, you gain practical exposure needed to navigate in the world of finance and auditing. Your professional success is our core mission, and hence our Center for Industry Academia Partnership CIAP connects you with the best brands in business. Top MNC hired our students in a crucial role of financial reporting, taxation, auditing, and financial management. I welcome you in our Department of Commerce and Accounting, MIT-WPU Pune. Let us master the language of business and build a legacy that truly matters.